Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have some really cool, awesome Hot Wheel RLC cars. I'm going to be showing off and a really cool convention collector car. But before we get started with that, I am doing a giveaway right now on my merch store. I'm giving away this 2024 collector edition. This is the Nissan Silvia, and I think it looks really cool. This is like almost just like a Hot Wheel RLC quality with spectraflame paint, rubber Real Rider tires, all metal body. But I am giving this away on my merch store. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Check it out. You guys can hop on there. I have a lot of awesome Hot Wheels from brand new mainlines, premiums. I even have a lot of RLC cars available on my merch store as well. So definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below and get entered into this giveaway. But let's go ahead and get started with the cars. And if you saw the title and thumbnail, it is all pink cars. But we do have a little throwback to get started with the Nissan GTR Skyline, the R34. This thing is absolutely amazing. And I did want to bring this back because it is like one of the most iconic cars I think I've seen so far with kind of like the Hot Wheel RLC pink cars. And it even has a, too bad it's not displayed, but a opening hood with a detailed engine bay. This thing looks really, really amazing. And like it is like that whole pink theme. I think they even called them like the party cars if I remember right. But I think this looks really, really cool. So that was one from last year, and everybody freaked out. The website was pretty much crashing when this one went live. But the one for this year that we have so far just came in, and it looks absolutely amazing. We have the 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra R, and that looks so cool. Let me just go ahead and pull it out of the package here so we can kind of see it a lot closer. It is a little dusty. And man, that looks really, really nice as well. I absolutely love that. I'm not a huge fan of the pink cars, but certain ones I think look really good. And especially the attention to detail that they put on these, I think looks really amazing as well. And like kind of like the Nissan, it does have like that white stripe kind of going down the side. Except this one has kind of like the gunmetal rims. So let me know, do you guys like the gunmetal rims or do you guys like the white rims, kind of like how the Nissan has it? Because I think the white looks pretty good, especially with the white stripe. So I'm kind of curious why they did a gunmetal on that. But looking at how this kind of hood is cut out, this one also has an opening hood with a detailed engine. But obviously we do not get to see that. I'm not going to rip this thing open, but this thing does look really, really awesome. Let me know what you guys think of that. And we even got some detailed exhaust right there too, which looks really cool. And the exhaust tips sticking out. I think that's really awesome. Like just little details like that make a car look so much nicer. And then you got the all white interior. If you guys were curious, that's what the backside looks like. It does have that really cool window to look into the back of the car. And if you are interested in reading that, you can pause and read that. But also, yeah, if you guys are curious about what that one says, you can read that as well. But man, these are really cool. Oh yeah, with a rad ride sporting a party pink spectraflame. So yeah, the party cars. Honestly, I don't really read the back of these most of the time. But yeah, that is a really cool car. I think these are really nice. But yeah, even the, I just read in the back, the license plate is Pink Stang, which is like a pink Mustang. I don't know if you can really see that. But the other pink car that came out this year was actually a convention car. And I think it's the first time Hot Wheels has done like a collector car of the MK4 Supra. So what we have here is the 24th Annual Collector Nationals. And it was in Atlanta, Georgia. This was in early April. And boom, look at that. Let's go ahead and take it out of the protector here, because this thing looks absolutely amazing. So it has a like carbon fiber hood, even has like a carbon fiber wing. And then on the top of the wing, if you guys are curious, it says 24th Collector Nationals, Atlanta, Georgia, April 3rd through 7th, 2024. And that's actually printed right across the top of the wing there. And it does have like a carbon fiber pattern kind of underneath that text. Same pattern that's on the hood. But I think this looks absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think of that. And like I said, I believe this is the first time we've seen a MK4 Supra as a kind of collector car. So this is really, really cool. I did see that they actually have a blue MK4 Supra coming up as a regular RLC car, because this is obviously a convention car, not a regular Hot Wheel RLC, so you pretty much had to go to the convention to get it, or wait a little bit, buy it on the second hand. But I think this car looks absolutely amazing. It's not quite like the same pink. These are a spectraflame, kind of like that high gloss, kind of reflective paint. This is just like a really nice, just gloss pink. And then obviously there's like that nice little stripe right there too. But also this is limited to 6,200. There is the little number right there. You guys can kind of see that. So these are very exclusive cars. And like I said, you can only get them if you buy them off somebody or if you went to the convention. But man, this is a really, really cool car. I did want to show that off because when I picked one of these up online and it came in, I was blown away. And the license plate is Hotwheels, so that's pretty cool because, I mean, this car is pretty smoking. But I just realized as well, there's that same carbon fiber trim across the rear bumper, down the side skirts, and then the front splitter also kind of has that pattern. I don't know if you can really see that there. Kind of like that carbon fiber kind of aero package, which looks really cool. Man, let me know what you guys think of this. But also just let me know, out of all three of these really awesome pink cars, let me know which one is your guys' favorite, because these are all super awesome cars, and I think they are amazing. But like I said, put down in the comments down below what you guys think, which one is your favorite. But like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below. Hop onto my merch store. You guys can automatically get entered into this giveaway car right here. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot of videos coming all the time featuring some really awesome new cars, as well as a lot of Hot Wheel case unboxings of some new and upcoming cases that are coming out. And every single case that comes out, I have subscriptions to be able to get some of those, so I can open them up, show you guys. And sometimes I even find treasure hunts and even super treasure hunts. So those are definitely really fun, really awesome to film. Also, I have YouTube shorts every single day. They go live racing Hot Wheels in the 6-lane raceway. Those are really cool, really fun, and you guys can keep going back and do weekly tournaments. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.